The Supreme Court rejects review plea of Akshay. Patiala court adjourns hearing till January 7 in Nirbhaya case. 2008 Jaipur blast, 4 held guilty, 1 acquitted. In the Citizenship Act, Supreme Court issues notice to government to hear pleas on January 22. Hello and good evening. Welcome to news. I'm Nirbhaya. Let's get to the top 5 headlines for today. Delhi witnesses second lowest maximum temperature since 1992. GST Council likely to leave tax rates unchanged. Let's get to know them in detail. The Supreme Court rejected a review petition of Akshay Kumar Singh, one of the convicts in the 2012 Delhi gang rape case. Nirbhaya death convict seeks liberty from Supreme Court to file mercy petition. Supreme Court says that he is entitled to file mercy plea within the stipulated time period fixed under the law. The Patiala High Court today adjourned the Nirbhaya case hearing till January 7, 2020. Supreme Court says that he is entitled to file mercy plea within the stipulated time. The top court observed that there is no ground to review the judgment as the evidence provided by the convict's lawyer has been examined earlier by the trial court. A bench comprising Justice R. Bhanumati, Ashok Bhushan and A.S. Bhopana was constituted on Tuesday evening by the Apex Court to hear the plea of Akshay, who wanted a review of the 2017 judgment upholding his death penalty. Getting to the next news now. A Jaipur court today pronounced its verdict in the 2008 Jaipur serial blast case, convicting 4 accused while 1 was acquitted. All the 4 convicted under different sections of IPC, including Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. 1 accused was acquitted due to lack of evidence. The 4 accused, Sarwar Azmi, Mohammad Saif, Saifur Rahman and Salman, were held guilty in the case by the court, whereas Shehbaz Hussain was held not guilty. On May 13, 2008, 8 serial bomb blasts rocked Rajasthan's capital city. The blast took place between 7:10 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., killing 70 people and injuring more than 170. According to the police, the responsibility of these blasts was owned up by Indian Mujahideen. A total of 11 people were named in the charge sheets. While 5 were arrested by the police, 2 were killed in Batla encounter. 1 was arrested in February 2018 by the special cell of the Delhi police. 3 are still absconding. Moving on to the next news now. The Supreme Court today refused the stay of implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act and issued a notice to the centre. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde issued a notice on the batch of 59 PILs filed in the court challenging the act. Attorney General K.K. Venugopal said arguments on the stay of the act would be as long as those of the challenge of the act. Advocate Rajiv Dhawan said that there was no need for a stay since the law hadn't come into effect. A lawyer from Assam said his state was burning and asked the law to be stayed, but Chief Justice Sharath Arvind Bobde said the court wouldn't hear the arguments today. Accepting Venugopal's submission, the bench slated all the petition for further hearing on January 22 and asked the centre to file a detailed reply by then. Getting to the next news now. Today marks a bitterly cold day for Delhi. In fact, the coldest day yet of the season according to MET department projections. With the minimum temperature at 7.2 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 14 degrees Celsius, Delhi heights are probably going to need an extra layer of insulation than other days to keep themselves out of the clutches of the biting winter. In fact, the coldest day yet of the season according to MET department projections with a minimum 7.2 degrees Celsius. Moving on to the next news now. Federal indirect tax body, the Goods and Services Tax Council, is likely to leave tax rates unchanged at its meeting on a Wednesday, which is today. Instead, will explore maximizing the realization of revenue of checking tax evasion, the report suggests. T.S. Singhero, Chhattisgarh Minister for Public Health and Commercial Taxes, told the reporters here after a meeting with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ahead of the council meeting that GST rate change proposals are unlikely to be discussed at the meeting. Prior to any tax changes, revenue realization should be optimized at existing tax rates by addressing areas of revenue leakage, the minister said. These were the top 5 headlines for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel NYOOOZ TV and download news app from Google Play Store and share your news with us. Also don't miss out the morning news update with your morning cup of tea every day at 9 a.m. only on our channel NYOOOZ TV.